I'm hot, light up a radical sun.
Your pink Mr. Chow.
Fucking talk.
Problem I have is I don't want to become needy. Going fucking insane. If I had a couple Red Bulls and a vape, I could do it within a week. I can track how many unique visitors. Puts me at over £10,000 a month.
Hey buddy, it's Joel from the Paddle Marketing. How are you?
But when it's due, just pay the money. I've done the work. Like, I don't get it.
I just signed the biggest marketing client I've ever signed, and this could change my life.
It's all I've been thinking about for 3 weeks. My brain is numb. Sunday we are back in the office. We will settle all the outstanding. Well, Sunday was yesterday and today's Monday. I've never had this situation before in my life, and it's driving me fucking insane. Like literally insane. The problem I have is I don't want to become needy. I love money, but I hate money. I hate money because I hate asking for money when it's due because I feel like a beg. But when it's due, just pay the money. I've done the work. Like, I don't get it. I don't get it. You know what? I'm gonna call him. I'm scared. Why am I scared he owes me money? I'm calling him now.
Your call has been forwarded to voicemail.
Fucking bullshit, honestly. I'm going insane. I'm going fucking insane. Okay, so today's date is June the 1st, 2026. And where are we at? We're not in a good position at all. I've wrote down every single one of my clients that is in the UK. So I currently have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 clients in the UK. Now the UK clients aren't that profitable. So if that totals, I think 3,000 something a month, my outgoings for that is about £1,200. So that leaves me with £2,400 roughly in profit every month from my clients in the UK. Now, if the Saudi client comes back and pays me the money and signs the contract and we go ahead, that adds £9,500 to the monthly pot. Puts me at over £10,000 a month, which means we're almost halfway to making £25,000 a month. Now, if you're new to the channel and you don't understand the situation of my agency in the UK, long story short, I had 12 or 13 Turkish restaurant clients that I was doing everything for myself. I didn't have any content creators. I then moved from London to Dubai to grow a bigger and better marketing agency, and I had to pay for videographers to do the work for me. Now, I charged those clients £650 a month. So when I'm paying content creators £300-400 every month to go and do the content, I, as the business owner, is left with £150-200 for doing all the editing, all the posting, all the graphic design, and all the ads, and dealing with all the shit. It's not worth it. So the clients either left because the quality wasn't the same as me, or I left them because the money wasn't no longer worth it. And then I'll have £6 left in my bank, which we'll need to get back to the UK with the cats.
Oh my God, I can't cope thinking about this. I mean, realistically, we'd be better off than doing that whole fucking massive move back to the UK. We'd be better off just downsizing and going somewhere cheaper.
We can't do that.
Why?
Because I don't have the money.
What do you mean?
I won't have the money to live in Dubai. I won't be able to put a piece of food in my mouth once I pay the rent. It's the next morning. I just woke up, it's 9 o'clock. But today is the big day because we get to finally speak to my client's second in line to figure out where this money is and why hasn't he signed the contract. Now, when I was editing this video last night, I realized, hang on, I need to give you guys some important bits of detail on explaining why he owes me money, but he still hasn't signed the contract. He used me for 6 weeks to go into his company, speak to his team, learn everything about his team, fix any issues with the ads, make all the ad accounts, make sure the pixels are connected, just like an initial startup stage. So he owes me 8 weeks worth of work, and last week he should have signed the new agreement for the monthly contract. So it's going to be very interesting to see what happens when I say, look, like, there's a lot of money outstanding. Okay, so I finally got on a meeting, and long story short, they're happy with everything. Everything is still going ahead, and they sent me a remittance slip of me receiving 22,500 dirhams, which I haven't actually received yet, but it might take a few hours or a couple days. So that's 22,500 dirhams out of 70,000 dirhams that they owe, and they still need to sign the contract. Okay, so that call could not have gone better. No negatives, they're going ahead. She's asking me, can you fly to Riyadh next weekend and speak more to the team and be more involved in the business. They're telling me that they're gonna set me up a email on behalf of the company, which means I'm technically now really involved. Here's proof that we've paid you 22,500 dirhams. Like, and it just makes my mood, it's like, it's been like this for the last 3 or 4 weeks. But I'm not gonna celebrate yet. She can send me a remittance slip. She can send me proof of funds. She can send me proof that the money's been sent. But until I see it in my bank, I'm not gonna celebrate. I can't. Never celebrate until the money has landed in your bank. A wise man once told me.
Baby, I'm hot, like the prodigal son.